He's got a few walls that may never come down, and is maybe the most introverted person I've ever met. Aside from that, you won't find a better man.
Jane, you're gonna be okay. I promise.
I don't know what that feels like.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
I feel ridiculous in this dress.
That is not the word that I would use.
You enchant me even when you're not around.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close.
How did you know that I could make that shot?
Could I lock
I didn't
in
know.
your love? I feel we're close enough.
I took a chance on you.
Could I lock in your love?
How are we supposed to work together if you don't trust me?
You don't trust me. Do you think I told you to stay in that car as punishment? What would have happened to you today? If you got hurt? If I lost you?
Got you shackled in my
Stay by my side.
latching on to you.
I'm so
When that door closed and I heard those shots,
got me wrapped
I thought they'd...
up in your touch. Feel so enamored. Hold me tight
breathing, Jane.
in your blood.
You're okay. Just keep breathing.
How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my
You're my starting point.
These tattoos have saved a lot of lives.
Not this time. I've never lost anyone before. At least not anyone I can remember.
When I was 10, next door neighbor went missing. She was never found. Her name was Taylor Shaw.
So whoever put your names on my back must have known that we had a connection as kids.
I've been looking for you my whole life.
Got you shackled in my embrace.
Właśnie ty rewni, właśnie ty powej.
Osra swą siczki typowej.
Now I got you in my space. I won't let go.
I like you touching me.
And I don't like you touching him.
You never stop.
I guess
I always thought that was...
I'm latching on you.
Isn't it all right?
I just needed to see you.
I'm latching on to you.